In today's video, I will teach you how to retouch your profile pictures using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in PicMonkey. Once the image is uploaded in the editor, go to the sidebar and select Touch Up. This will open a new toolbar which consists of a toolkit for retouching your image. And like everything in PicMonkey, these are all beginner-friendly. Let's start with the eyes of the subject. To zoom in, you can either press the zoom in button at the lower left side of the editor, or you can simply use the scroll wheel of your mouse. Once the eyes are more visible, we can now start brightening the eyes in case the background or lighting alter the color of your subject's eye. To do this, scroll down and under the eyes category, select the Eye Brighten tool. Here, you can select different brush shapes depending on what works for you. And you can also change the brush size, hardness, strength, brush rotation, and spacing. But the most important setting that you need to adjust is the lightness value. The lower you set the value, the less bright the effect will be. And the higher value you set, the brighter the effect will be. So feel free to adjust the value depending on what your subject needs. Now, to apply the effect, I suggest clicking over the area instead of dragging it, so that you can have more control over the effect. If you went over the areas that don't need brightening, you can simply switch to the eraser tool. Once you're done, click Apply, and we can now move on to removing blemishes. Under the Skin category, select the Blemish Fix. Now, change the brush size and the fade value of the effect. Take note that the lower the fade value is, the stronger the effect will be. And high fade value means that the effect would be more faded. Now, simply click away any blemishes that you need to remove. Once you're done zapping away blemishes, you can now click Apply, and we can now move on to removing wrinkles. Under the Skin category, select Airbrush. With this, you can soften any harsh wrinkles on your subject. Simply adjust the brush size so it covers the wrinkles without affecting the rest of the face. Then adjust the brush hardness, strength, rotation, and spacing, as well as the fade value depending on what your subject needs. But make sure to not completely erase the wrinkles as it may look unnatural in the end. Just soften up some wrinkles and you're good to go. Next, if your subject looks a little too pale due to bad lighting, we can now add some blush. Under the Skin category, select Blush Boost. Now, adjust each parameter depending on how much you would like the effect to show up. Then go over the cheeks to make the skin look livelier. Make sure to not overdo it, especially on the nose area as it may end up looking like an allergy. Lastly, crop your image into a 1:1 aspect ratio. Go to the sidebar, open the Edits tab, and select Crop Canvas. Under the aspect ratio drop-down menu, select Square. Now just move and resize the crop handlebars until you find the perfect framing for your profile picture. And once you're done, click Apply. Here's the before and after of the image. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.